Alright, so I just want to share with you some of the basic principles. We made the acronym SWAGRS for seating, whiplash, adhesion, gyroscopic rotation, and shearing. Okay, so that's like the woolly basic principles, which makes it different than a typical punching, kicking art, okay? Alright, so seating is, his punch comes at my head, and I strike down, okay? Adhesion is sticking, completely sticking to the opponent. It could be a whiplash. All right, so these things show up in our art in a lot of different ways. So seating could be, he can lift me up, he can lift me up, but he can't hold me up. Does that make sense? So you see, I just bought all this space, bang, strikes, and things like that. Okay, so seating is useful. Whiplash is punches coming one way, pull, strike. That's a whiplash, okay? And these things make up for a lack of strength or fitness on my part. If he's stronger, younger, faster, but I've got all these dirty tricks, I'll do okay. So it's sort of like the old man style. All right, whiplash. Adhesion is, I just stick. Anytime I get anything, I stick, and he just never gets it back. I got an arm and I got a head. I got a foot. I think I'll just keep that head, put it under here. All right. Thanks for donating your body to martial science. That's the adhesion bit. All right, gyroscopic rotation. Here, I'll pick on somebody else for a second. Straight right comes. All right, so there's adhesion. But gyroscopic rotation is an odd little turn. Okay, now that adhesion is still there. Little whiplash principle. All right, thank you, sir. All right, gyroscopic rotation could be on the inside of a big right hook, where I pick it off here and I turn them away from me that way. That's cool. All right, so it's an odd turn. All right, and then shearing. I'll pick on you for this one. Shearing, if his, let's just say straight right. Shearing, it has me striking two targets like this. All right, let's come at me from this angle. Straight right's coming. All right, and I strike this way. Two targets. And you can see I had the foot pinned too. All right, so that's shearing. Now when you put all those things together, you have what makes woolly different from just basically punching and blocking. There's all that sticking and seating. So if his big jab cross is coming at me, I've come up and now I'm sticking to him. And you see I've got his leg trap, but when I seat here, so sorry that you're impaled here. So you can see the seating has a lot of application there. All right, and you'll see that in all of our techniques. All right, any questions?